Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create this brick cube toy effect, more like the Lego effect on Higgsfield AI. So the first thing you have to do is go to this website higgsfield.ai, sign in or sign up, and then scroll down to the Higgsfield apps area where you get to see various effects that you can use for your videos, from promotional videos to ASMR videos and adverts of various sorts. You can create the next big thing with this particular AI in your business. So all you have to do to create this Lego like or brick cube effect is to go to Higgsfield apps, then select the brick cube effect. You'll be brought to a page like this where all you have to do is to upload your image. Then you can create your image here, or if you want a video, just click on the video icon here, and then you generate your video, and your video would appear somewhat similar. Now if you look below, you would see a sample of the image that was created using this. You can see the image sample here, and then this particular video was created with reference to the image uploaded. So you can see how great and mighty this is. So let me know what you guys think about this particular video effect in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Please subscribe to our channel as we're actively trying to grow, guys. Thank you very much, and